Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to paint two DIY greeting cards for Easter. So as you can see, I have already created an egg kind of structure and oval kind of structure on both the cards. To take all your time to draw this particular shape, and then we can start with our first greeting card. So for the first greeting card, I'm going to create few purple flowers. So for that I'm adding 5 dots. My color shade is quite dark but consistency is little watery. So I'm going to create 5 to 6 flowers in this particular painting maybe. So once you're done with your dots, you can wash your brush, clean your brush, and with the help of depth brush, not so wet, not so dry, just try to spread the color and create a petal kind of shape. So having 5 dots is equal to 5 petals. I'm keeping my shades naturally, like whatever I'm getting while spreading, and I'm not using any extra color in my brush. So my brush is clean and I'm just trying to spread my colors from those dots, keeping negative space in between. I'm going to repeat this process to create multiple flowers inside this egg shape. While adding elements into egg shape, make sure you're not ruining your shape. You need to keep your shapes intact. So let's add little dark shade of purple inside every petal that we have. And then we are going to use black color for the ovary of the flower. But now let's create more flowers into it. So let me show you one more flower. I'm doing it near to the edge only. So again I'm repeating the same process, 5 dots having purple color in it. But as you can see, this is near to my edge. So I'm making sure my petal shapes are going with the edge. I'm not going outside the egg shape. So that is something you need to take care of while creating all the flowers. You can add more flowers, you can add less flower, but this is something you need to take care of. Now with the help of black color, we are going to add little dots in the center of the flower to create ovary of the flower. I'm going to repeat this for all the flowers that we have. And then with the help of yellow color, I'm adding small yellow flower in between throughout the sheet. So I'm going to repeat this flower in multiple places around this particular shape. This is very simple version of yellow flower. You just need to apply a little pressure into a brush to create petals like this. And I think I can create one more purple flower here. So this time I'm creating only 4 petals as one petal is hidden. Now let's create the center part of yellow flower. So this time I'm using red color to create ovaries for the yellow flower. I'm adding just simple dots around yellow. And then with the help of sap green color, you can use whatever green you like. Add 1 stroke leaves in between. This is the best time wherein you can define your shape more clearly. So add your elements in the same way, the way you have created your shape. So I'm adding more green leaves in between around the edges until I'll get a proper shape. And also make sure you have some negative space as well in between these structure. And we are almost done with the shape, and then we can write something in it, in this particular greeting card. So you can write whatever you like to. So with the help of Camlin brush pen, I am writing here Happy Easter. If your writing is not that good like mine, so you can first write it with the help of pencil and then you can trace it with the help of brush pen or calligraphy pen, whatever you have. I'm doing it very slowly. And let's write happy around the T. So you can choose whatever calligraphy you like. And we are done with the first greeting card, and we are going to repeat almost similar kind of things for the second greeting card as well. So for this one as well, I have one egg shape and I'm going to create a loose rose flower around it. So I'm going to create 3 rose flower, one bigger, then medium, and then the smaller one. So this is very loose shape. You just need to add C and opposite C kind of structure to create something like this. Very loose rose flower with the help of pink color, and then you can highlight a little bit middle section and few petals with the help of purple. So this is very simple flower that you can paint. Even if you are a beginner, this is something very useful. Now let's create 2 more, one with the medium shape and one with the smaller shape. I am repeating the same thing what I did in the first flower. First layer would be of pink and the second layer would be of purple. The color combination and choices is totally up to you. You can create many greeting cards inspired by these 2 greeting cards. Make sure you're also keeping your egg shape intact. So whatever we are doing here, we are doing inside the particular shape. Once you're done with the 3 flowers, you can add leaves into it with the help of green color. As these are rose flowers, I'm keeping little round kind of leaf into it. So, but it's not necessary. You can add any simpler structure of leaves into it. I want to keep leaves little serrated, so I'm adding a zigzag kind of pattern into leaves, at least few leaves that we can add these kind of elements easily. And then you can also add stems, sepals, those kind of things around these flowers. Let's add more leaves into it. For now, I'm keeping the left area blank. I need this negative space like this only. So I'm adding more elements onto the right side. All my leaves, flowers, filler flowers are going to be on right side only. I'm adding a little bit of yellow flowers as well. These are 2 petal flowers, very simple, just to give a little contrast in it. And then you can also add few stems attaching to all these yellow flowers. And you can also keep your shapes intact while adding more elements into it. More green structure if needed, and we are done with all the elements. Now with the help of metallic color, so this is something not mandatory. If you don't have metallic color, you can skip this and you can use normal watercolor as well. As I have metallic color, so I'm using this golden color for the right edges. So I'm adding dark texture of this metallic color on the right edge, keeping the edges dark as compared to the middle section, and then with the help of water just spread the color a little bit. And with the help of clean water you can blend few elements which are in between. And once done, you can write something in this particular greeting card as well. I'm writing the same thing. I am not sure whether you are able to see the metallic color clearly, but this gives you very nice effect. So if you have a metallic color, you can use metallic color for sure. So I'm writing the same thing what I did in the first one, with the help of different color. So you can use whatever color you like to write something in here. And we are done with this particular one as well. So I hope you have liked this video, and do let me know if you guys have any feedback for me, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.